Marjana opinion, cocaine will affect the lungs, will affect the liver, and will affect the brain. On lungs, the lung cancer can occur. On liver, chronic liver disease can occur. And on brain, Alzheimer's disease can occur.
And sir, if somebody is being affected by a chronic disease like tuberculosis, and if you start taking drugs, say like alcohol or LSD types of, what will be the effect on the treatment of that tuberculosis?
The treatment will prolong, the resistance will be there. So the outcome will not be very good.
So as you are a very famous doctor over here, people do come to you in large numbers. So what do you think, what is the awareness level of about drug addiction and abuse?
There is no awareness. The incidence of cocaine and marjana has become a bit less than previously.
But what can be the cause of it?
Cause of addiction?
Yes sir, cause of addiction as people are very...
हाँ बोलो यार, हो गई बात मेरी. हाँ हो गई. हाँ नहीं हो गई.
So many diseases are being cured by using antibiotics. You would prefer antibiotics for the patients to be cured, and some of them have side effects on the body. So can you call it as a harmful drug? Because side effects create major problem in the body of patient rather than a disease. So what?
There are side effects, but there is some good effects also. Antibiotic has some good effects. So first we have to consider the good effects.
So what about the side effects?
The side effects doesn't occur in 10 tablets or 20 tablets. It occurs duration, frequency, dose. One tablet of paracetamol cannot do any side effect.
That means the medicines can't be, those who have medicines, those who have side effects can't be compared to narcotics. Okay sir. Sir, as we have known that in scientific way, consumption of alcohol in less amount or little amount creates what we can say, it activate our minds in very well. If we take it in small amount, it improve our efficiency level of the mind. So how can you explain it biologically?
Small amount of alcohol is beneficial for heart, beneficial for coronary arteries, but it is not beneficial and it should not be taken for alertness. That is their side effect. So they should not take alcohol for the alertness.
It decreases alertness of the mind. But if we use it and on the other days, it creates a healthy metabolism in our body. It helps us to work well. After taking it, if in a weekend if we are taking it in small amount and the whole week is there to work, it helps us to work well. It has been scientifically proved. So why it is so?
Because in our nervous system, in metabolism, the ATP and AMP level, it increases. ATP and AMP level. And that's why it is some beneficial what we are saying. But it should not be taken for that purpose. Okay, in the Indian setting, in foreign country, in American setting, they are generally used in weekends, alcohol, small amount of alcohol. But for in India, it should not be taken, otherwise day by day the duration and frequency and amount will be increased.
So what can be your final message to people as you are a learned doctor? So the general common people don't know about the biological effects of taking drugs like LSD, marijuana and cocaine and all. They think that it's nice and they want to consume it. So what can be your final message for them?
No marjana, no opium, no cocaine, small amount of alcohol.
So it should be prohibited at 100%?
It should be, but it is not prohibited, but it should be prohibited.
Thank you sir, you shared your valuable